Hello everyone and welcome back to OnSalus Health. In this new video, we'll be sharing our top tips on how you can moisturize the skin under your beard. Not only does beard care help make your beard look better, but it's also key in making sure your skin remains healthy. Keeping your beard hydrated is very important in making sure that this sensitive skin area does not get damaged. Keeping your beard hydrated is key in preventing beard dandruff and irritated skin in the facial area. In addition, moisturizing your beard will keep it looking fresh and well groomed. Taking a cold shower on hot days is an excellent way of moisturizing skin under the beard. We recommend not using hot water as it can cause peeling, redness, and irritation on the skin. So, if you suffer from an itchy beard, we recommend washing your face with cold water, even in winter. Applying body soap onto your face can also result in dry skin under the beard. This is why it is also necessary to use specific products for different areas of the body. When it comes to the face, we recommend using natural products. If possible, opt for an anti-dandruff soap to improve general skin and beard appearance. There are specific beard oils on the market designed to exclusively moisturize the skin under the hair. However, the type of oil will depend on the specific skin type, so we recommend consulting a professional beforehand. Among the most used beard oils, we have coconut oil, rosehip oil, almond oil, and jojoba oil. Make a habit of daily moisturizing. Applying daily moisturizer is ideal to soften and condition the epidermis. We recommend using beard products that contain moisturizing butter or almond oil. This is because both are ingredients that stimulate hair growth, making them ideal for those who want a fuller beard. And that's it for our OnSalus Health video on how to keep your beard and skin well hydrated. For any doubts or questions, post them into our comment section below. And if you like this video, give us a like and subscribe for more. Until next time.